What are you having for breakfast? My husband woke me up to a bowl of oats porridge. You know what is this? Festival, cabbage, and the leftover. We have some leftover chicken from the anniversary dinner. I love my husband, you know. My husband take the best care of me. Yes, man. We have rain every day. It will start falling again soon. So you know when you have rheumatic arthritis with back problem and the rain falls, you know it go. So I have to wake him up again early this morning to go get hot water. At least we could have found the buckle this morning and steam my back with the castor oil. I want to wash out 2 little pieces. The way how the time feel and look like the rain are gonna come soon. So I'm not gonna stay there. I worry about me and I suck my bamboo. No can say they worry about me, I suck my wood. Me I go suck it so till no wood no left. Because the way how me see grandfather Cartel when me and him are same age. And senior Spice. They pass stage at dagger out ramping shop. I see Cardi B left go a show naked. Cardi B went to Cartel show in her panty. And the first ever say a big woman, big married woman we have 3 children, left go to a show in her panty. I couldn't believe it. I don't have no problem with it. But you don't have somebody who talk and create content. You know something? Me I set up one nice little video for you. For you see me a deep throat and I melt the bamboo there. Me don't know how me I gonna make it slip, but me I go ensure so me make you see it. Yeah. Cause guess what? You don't pay me, so I don't really care about your opinion. Cause you don't pay me. And if the platform who pay me allow me to create my content, you don't think me care about you? No? I don't care about you. No? You don't have one special kind of respect we no have. So no respect Cartel and Spice who are perform and no respect me who are talk. That makes sense? Me I go no something to talk about. Me I go no something and make sure so no have something to talk about.